Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot. I'm going to do a one-pan shrimp chimichurri. Let's get to the ingredients. I have here diced shallot, chili powder, and red pepper flakes. I have extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, a lemon, garlic cloves, parsley, fresh parsley, fresh cilantro, vegetable stock, cumin powder, paprika, oregano, coriander, salt, black pepper, and of course, the shrimp. I've already washed them in lemon juice and rinsed them in cold water. And also, you must peel them and devein them. Now, this is what we're going to do first, because the shrimp have to marinate for at least 10 minutes. I have the garlic, a clove of garlic here. The garlic into the shrimp. And we're going to grate some lemon peel into the shrimp. Zest some lemon peels. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil to this. And some black pepper. And some salt. I'm going to mix this up. Now that I've seasoned up the shrimp, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it can marinate for about 10 to 20 minutes. So all the flavors can come together in the shrimp. While the shrimp is marinating in the refrigerator, let's make the chimichurri sauce. Now in this bowl here, I have red pepper flakes, chili powder, oregano, and minced garlic. So we're going to add the parsley to this bowl, the cilantro, the red wine vinegar, the paprika, the cumin, and the red pepper flakes to this also, and black pepper, and some olive oil. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now we're going to whisk this up. Then after we whisk all of this up together, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for about another 10 minutes so all the flavors can meld together. See? I have a saute pan here, and I'm going to turn it on medium high. And we're going to add some olive oil to the pan to coat the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to add the shallots to the pan. We're going to let them saute up for about a minute. Now it's time for the shrimp to jump into the pan. We're going to cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now that the shrimp has sauteed, it's time to add the vegetable stock. We're going to let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I already plated the shrimp up with the sauce, and now this is what we do. We take the chimichurri sauce and we spoon it over the shrimp. Here you have it, one pot shrimp chimichurri. Enjoy. You can serve this with toasted, crusty bread, also roasted asparagus, a green salad, and even pasta, whatever you choose to eat it with. I would like you to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and X. And also check out some of my older videos on the screen below. And I will see you soon. Bye.